let's check out my cabin filter on my 2015 Rav4. To get to it, first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to disconnect this damper. And all you need to do is pull on it. Okay. Then you're going to need to push the glove box in on this side and push it in on this side while pulling down. Okay. And the glove box will come down, and it will even come off if you want it to. And your cabin filter is right in this box here. All you're going to do is push this tab in. It'll come right off. And here's the filter. If you need the part number on this filter, look down in the description box below. There'll be a link. Get your new one or put your old one back in. This one's in good shape, so it's going back in. And get your cover here. It goes in that left side first. It goes right in that slot, and then it just clicks right in. And get your glove box and just push it up and like that, and it'll hold itself up. And then your damper here. All you gotta do is just push it right back on. And that's it.